Yo, guys, today I'm gonna be doing the baking soda experiment of vinegar, yo. Like, it is a bad thing, like, it's really good thing. Like, there's a thing that I didn't do since childhood, and that's crazy. Like, I didn't do it for a reason, that's crazy. I can't believe it, yo, let's go. I didn't burn one or two, I brought 3 vinegar. Today, we're gonna do the experiment, so let's go. First, let's add the baking soda, okay? Add it like this. Oh! Crazy. Alright. Now let's open it. Let's open this. And let's see the reaction, yo. Like, that's gonna be insane, yo. Let's go. I can't believe I'm doing this. Whoa! That's crazy. Look at the bubbles. So, what is happening here is a chemical reaction, and what is being produced right now is carbon dioxide. Of course, you can't see it because it is invisible. Look at that. Let's add more baking soda and see what will happen. Whoa. Oh, that's crazy, yo. Amazing. Let's add more vinegar. Look at the bubbles. These bubbles called carbon dioxide bubbles. Yo, that's crazy. Let's add more baking soda. Amazing, bro. Whoa. Alright. And now for our next experiment, we're gonna need something like that. Add your baking soda right here, okay? Damn it, alright? Add it. Okay, and just add baking soda. Like, you have to do it really fast, okay? Because it will explode, bro. Let's go. What happened, bro? Come on. Come on, explode! Didn't work out, alright? Come on, explode! I think it seems like it didn't work out, man. I don't know why. Might be a reason. Let's just wait for it. Nothing happened. Shit, yo. Alright. Now let's do it one more time, and this time it's gonna be really much bigger, yo. Let's add baking soda and add vinegar.